Hello. If you're someone who works with data, then you'll often need to load data from a pandas data frame to Microsoft SQL Server table. And if you land into a situation where you need to enhance the performance of this entire process, then this video is for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ahmed Zaidi and I work as a chief data scientist. In this space, I create content on the topic that are relevant to analytics and on challenges a data scientist faces in their daily work. Let's dive into the demo. All right, so I'll import the dependencies. SQL Alchemy is what I'll be using to interact with my SQL Server. And I have a developer's editions installed on my machine. I will create a table called banking in learnings database, which is empty for now. Let's get the dependencies. Let's get data, which is from Kaggle. See how the data looks like. And here is the connection string. So I'll be using create engine method. I'll pass MSSQL plus PyODBC username and password if I'm using a different user. After @ I'll be having server and this is my database name. Driver will be SQL Server Native Client 11.0. This is how my connection strings looks like. I'm not passing username and password because I'm using Windows authentication here. Then my server name and my database, which is learning. Okay, so on my data frame, I'll be using toSQL method. I'll give my table name, the connection string that I've created here, my schema, if exists equal to append to just append the data, and you can also use replace here, which will drop the table and recreate it. So I've given a link to SQL, and if you want to explore more, feel free to go ahead and explore. Before I do this process, I have printed the timestamp, and after I finish the process, I'm again printing this timestamp. And this is just to see how much time it takes to finish this process. I have 45,000 rows. Loading has started and still going on. Okay, so it took approximately 12 seconds to load 45,000 rows. And let's see if they are loaded now. And yes, I have them. Let's delete those so that we can compare. Now, what I have done is I have added an extra parameter in my connection string, fast execute many equals to true. Essentially what it does is it reduces the round trips to server and thereby increasing the performance. It will give a boost to your performance multiple times. Let's try it. And let's repeat the process again with the new connection string. Loading started, loading ended. So it took almost 2 seconds, which is like 6 times faster than what I had earlier. And let's see if the data is actually loaded. And yes, it is. So with this, we comes to an end to this video. If you liked the content, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care.